Hello, everyone. Today, we're starting with a math question that only a small percentage of people can solve correctly at first glance. Here's the expression: 5 minus 5, open parenthesis, 5 minus 5, close parenthesis. I'll give you 5 seconds to solve it. If your answer was 0, then unfortunately, that's wrong. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'm going to explain one of the most important rules in mathematics, the order of operations, and I also have a challenge waiting for you at the end of the video. So let's see why 0 is not the correct answer. A common mistake looks like this. People solve the first 5 minus 5 and get 0. Then they write 0 times, open parenthesis, 5 minus 5, close parenthesis, equals 0. And they conclude that the final answer is 0. The mistake is that they ignored the correct order of operations. To avoid mistakes like this, mathematicians use a rule called PEMDAS. PEMDAS tells us the exact order in which calculations should be performed, so everyone solves an expression the same way and gets the same answer. The letters stand for: P is for parentheses. Anything inside parentheses comes first. E is for exponents, such as powers and square roots. After that comes M and D. That means multiplication and division. These two have the same priority, so if both appear, you simply work from left to right. Finally comes A and S. That means addition and subtraction. Just like multiplication and division, these also have the same priority, so you solve them from left to right. One of the biggest mistakes people make is thinking subtraction should always happen before multiplication just because it appears first in the expression. But that's not how PEMDAS works. The type of operation matters more than its position. Multiplication always has higher priority than addition or subtraction, unless parentheses change the order. Now let's solve the problem correctly. First, evaluate the parentheses. 5 minus 5 equals 0. Now the expression becomes 5 minus 5 times 0. Next, perform the multiplication. 5 times 0 equals 0. Now we have 5 minus 0, and that gives us 5. So the correct answer is 5, not 0. Now it's your turn. Solve this one. 8 minus 8, open parenthesis, 8 minus 8, close parenthesis. Did you get it right? Write the answers to both questions in the comments. Let's see who really understands the order of operations. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more math challenges that trick almost everyone.